Good morning, day 2 of my trip in Madrid, Spain. This is a view from our balcony on the corner of Calle de Bartenera. And it is a national holiday, October 12th, and a lot of people are out and about. It's morning for me, but it's about 2 o'clock here right now. We're trying our best to stay on our schedule so that we don't have too much jet lag going on. And good thing Madrid is one of those cities where things start late. Stay tuned for more pictures of day 2 in Madrid. Very nice, isn't it? Look at the detail on this lamppost. That's one thing I can say about what we've seen so far. Like, I'm just intrigued and just loving the architecture here. Look at the molding on that building. Let me show you the molding in this apartment though. Alright, so we're getting ready to roll out of here. Say good morning, Mup.
Morning/afternoon.
Yep. Because it's morning for us, but it is afternoon here. It's about 2 o'clock. Say morning, Bree. So this is like the dining room. Front door. Here's an area with a bedroom. Well, the makeshift bedroom. Look at that detail right there. You shutting it all up? Oh yeah, it might be late. Okay, this is coming down the hall. But here's the kitchen. Go this way into the kitchen. Cabinets. This is the refrigerator right here. Anyway, this is the refrigerator. Kind of hidden up in here. Alright. And this is the kitchen area. Okay. And then more cabinets. There's a bathroom. Ain't got no shower curtains, y'all. Nice mirror. And then from here we can go into one of the bedrooms. This is the one I'm sleeping in. Y'all need a scarf? Scoop these up while I'm back here. Stop. Oh no. That would not make a good trip. We are having lunch/breakfast in the oldest restaurant according to the Guinness World Book of Records. And it is Restaurant Batin, founded in 1724. And it looks like it. It does. Very cute and quaint. chocolate and churros from Chocolatier Saint Jeans. Authentic churro. At the cathedral and hola. It's beautiful.
I need to look over there off the...
Yeah. We are now inside the cathedral and oh my god, it is so mesmerizing and beautiful. Like literally almost brought me to tears. It's beautiful. Okay, so I am in the McDonald's here in Madrid, Spain, and I wanted to taste their French fries because you know they say, or that I've read that you know, in different countries they don't allow certain things, right, in your food and your ingredients. So I just want to see if these French fries taste the same. Yeah, it's a potato, but I do know that McDonald's has a coating on the French fries and it has sugar in it. Yeah. So I'm going to see if the French fries taste the same. Hold on. All right, here you go. I'm trying to look for. I'm trying to look for.
That because of New York, because I don't think that this ain't, I don't know yet.
We probably got to cut it. You don't taste? Nope, I think it's missing the coating on it. No, it tastes different. It's solid. Is it the salt? I just don't. I'm missing something.
There's a lot of something.
It's missing the sugar. It's missing the sugar. Yeah. It's different. Tastes different. We're at Walk to Walk, as in the walk he's cooking in, and walk, like you're walking by. Huh? Safe. All right. I felt that heat. Yeah, because I think I read right down here in the vegetable mix. This is a caramel gelato, and it is very good. I also sampled the banana split gelato, and it make you want to slap your mama. You ain't tried anything though. But I do love caramel, and this is absolutely great. We are at the Taste Gallery and having a glass of Moscato d'Asti. Very, very sweet. It's almost like Kool-Aid, it's so sweet. Along with mozzarella cheese and olives, unpitted olives. And it is an awesome combination. Great combination.